Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today because I received Happy Mail. Yay for Happy Mail. I'm not sure when this package was delivered. I just picked it up today and I got sick after Thanksgiving, so I do apologize. Got a little bit busy before Thanksgiving, but I picked it up today, and as you can hear, I'm a little congested, but I am going to open up this Happy Mail because I'm super excited. So this is from Miss Peggy Allen here on YouTube. Hi Peggy, thank you so much. I can't believe you sent me some goodies. I just opened up the box and I haven't even dug in, so I'm going to start with this first set of embellishments, which are absolutely gorgeous. Let me take them out of the package because they are just too cute, and we want to look at each one of them without a glare. This is so sweet. I love the lavender Christmas theme. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. Look at the little cup. I think these are Cottage Cuts dies. That is so cute. I never picked up that die. That's on my wish list. I really do want to get that die. So cute. I think even Armene had that from last year, and I kept saying I was going to get it, but I never did. And she layered the nose. Oh, maybe it's foam, and she's got a little glitter. It's so cute, you guys, and she's got a vellum flower behind it. So pretty, Peggy. And then look at the snowman, and he's purple. I love him. How cute, and he's in a teapot. So adorable. Thank you so much. I'll have to maybe make some cards or something out of these. I'm not sure, but they are adorable. And then look at this one right here. Look at all the little details. This takes a lot of time to do, so thank you so much. And I like the rosette that you used on this one right here. Look at all the layers. And then look at that one. It says sweet. I love this die. I have this one, and I need to play with it. Super, super cute. Thank you so much for sending me this set of embellishments. All right, I'm gonna keep going. Excuse me. Look at this cute bag topper with the pretty bow. And oh my gosh, did you make this? Do you sew? Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous, Peggy. Look at this, you guys. It's like an ornament. It's beautiful. Oh, thank you so much. Look at how pretty this is. And then this is the, I believe, the Stephanie Bernard dies, and she die cut them out several times out of this really pretty pattern paper. I'm not sure what collection this is, but it's gorgeous. Oh, that's so sweet. I love this. Oh, thank you so much. Love that. So thoughtful. Okay, I'm gonna move this off to the side. Oh my goodness. And she shared these on her channel, and I actually die cut this little reindeer for her because she said that it sold out and she couldn't get it. So I went ahead and just die cut a few of these for her out of a paper collection, and look, she actually sent me one. This is absolutely adorable, and I love the heart nose. That is a great idea, Peggy. I love it. Love the little Santa hat and the glitter. And she's got a glittered snowflake behind him. Look how shiny and just super cute, and it's like an ornament. See on the back? I love how you packaged that. That is so sweet. We'll have to put them on the Christmas tree. I love it. Oh my gosh. And I love these little eyes too with the little eyelashes. Super, super cute. Thank you so much for that. That's so lovely. I love it. Let me take that out. And then she sent me, let's see, it looks like a notebook. And this looks like, yep, one of these chunky notebooks, and it's beautiful in this lavender paper, and it has a beautiful butterfly. Oh, I love it. And she's got a scallop layer underneath. But it's just a chunky notebook, and I think there's a tutorial on this on YouTube. I think one of the craft fair ladies has something like this, but this is so cute. I want to try this. So this is really, really pretty. Thank you so much, because I absolutely need a list pad upstairs in my craft room. I always am needing to write stuff down, and then I can never find anything, so this is going to go on my desk for sure. And then last but not least, it says, I made this from a Dollar Tree Christmas card. It reminds me of you. Aww. Oh, you have a Caleb too, like her little family right there. Oh, that's so cute. I have a Caleb too. Have a sweet holiday. Okay, so let me open up this. This is so thoughtful, Peggy. So super sweet. Oh, so these are sugar cookies. Have a sweet holiday. Let me just come down so we can see it a little bit better. There we go. Oh, it's just like a little notebook. Oh, that's so sweet. Here's to a sugar-coated holiday sprinkled with laughter and love. Yes, she knows I like to bake sugar cookies. How adorable. And then she's got the twine right here. How cute. Thank you so much, Peggy. This was super thoughtful, super sweet. You guys, show her some love. Check out her YouTube channel. I'll definitely link it in the description box below. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye for now.